Hey everyone, it's me again. It's Simply Mona, and in this video I will be juicing today. I'm doing my weekly juicing. I'm trying to do good, trying to be right, doing my little collagen in my tea and all of the things. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Feel free to speak with me in the comments, and I miss y'all. Glad to be back, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Well, I'm back. You know how I do. Springtime come, and I act like I want to do something. So we're gonna get some videos. My juice today. A couple of other little things I gotta do, and we're gonna just get it popping. All right. You gonna say something to the people? Okay, because you look worse than me right now. All right. Okay, y'all, so I'm done with my juicing. My shirt all wet up. I showed you the refrigerator, so I'm gonna end the video right there. I didn't show every single thing I did because I went through several fruits and it's so messy and it's a whole situation. I'm about to mop the floor because I got stuff everywhere. I had to wipe the walls, shower. It's a whole situation. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that, and then I'm gonna see y'all on the next video. Welcome back. Y'all know how I do. I do it sometimes, I don't, so I don't give a date, but you will see me at least once a week. Okay, bye.